Meet the Snack Time Heroes, a group of fun-loving kids dedicated to finding the tastiest healthy snacks. One day, they embark on the quest to uncover secret snack paths filled with colorful fruits and crunchy veggies. Along the way, they learn to swap out sugary treats for delightful alternatives like yogurt parfaits and homemade trail mix. As they taste their discoveries, laughter fills the air, proving that healthy snacks can be fun and delicious. So gather the family, put on your explorer hats, and venture into the world of flavors together.